Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today it is economics 12th and topic is revenue. Subtopic is the relationship of TR, MR and AR when AR is not constant. In previous lecture we have discussed, I have told you that the relationship between total revenue, marginal revenue, and average revenue, but AR was constant. But today AR is not constant. Dear students, I will explain you with the help of this table that this is a table with 4 columns. From first column, it is output in quantity units. Second column, price is equal to average revenue in rupees. Total revenue is equal to average revenue into quantity and rupees. And marginal revenue, MR, is equal to TRN minus TRN minus 1 and rupees. Now dear students, I will write here the output of unit and units, that is 1 unit, 2, 3 and 4. What is the price? As it is not constant, when the first unit was produced, the price was rupees 10, and when second unit 9.5, when third unit it is 9, and when fourth it is 8.5. Now total revenue, when one unit was quantity, price was 10, total was also 10. When second unit was produced, price was 9.5 and total is 19. When third unit was produced, price was 9 and the total was 27. When fourth unit was produced with price 8.5 and the total is 35. Simply, as we are repeating it, marginal revenue, as you know, marginal revenue is equal to TRN, the total revenue of quantity numbers, total numbers. What is marginal? The additional one, this n minus additional one, n minus 1. The additional. So it is, when it is 10, it is also 10. How it is 10? Because 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. And the second unit, it is 10, 19, we can subtract 10 from 19, that is 9. How? 19 minus 10. 19 minus this 10, because we are doing here marginal, additional. When first unit was produced, total revenue was 10. When second unit was produced, total unit was 19. So what is the value of the second additional unit? That is 19 minus 10 is equal to 9. When third unit was produced, it is 8. 27 minus 19. 27 minus 19. I have written it here. This is 10, this is 9, and this is 8. When fourth unit was, it is, when we subtract 27 from 35, it is 7. 35 minus 27. This is marginal revenue. This is units. price, total revenue, and it is marginal revenues. Now here we have to check for the following relationship. Let me check for the following relationship. Check the following relationship here. Number one, in case AR is in case AR average revenue, in case average revenue is not constant, in case average revenue is not constant but declining marginal revenue is also declining. Marginal revenue also declined. Marginal revenue is also declining. Number two, check when AR is declining. When AR is declining 10, 9.5, 9, 8.5, it is declining by rupees. What is the difference from 10, 9.5, 9, 8.5? That is 0.5. Declining 0.5 MR, declining 0.5 MR is declining by rupees 1. MR is declining by rupees 1. Here you can see here that rate of declining is 10 from 10 to 9.5, then 9, 8.5, it is 0.5. But here in marginal revenue, if you will see, it is 10, after 10 it is 9, then 8, then 7. It means that when AR is declining by rupees 0.5, MR is declining by rupees 1. Here it is rupees 1. This proves that under monopoly, this proves that under monopoly and monopolistic competition and monopolistic competition MR declines and declines faster than AR. MR is declining faster than AR because it declines with 0.5 and it declines with 1. It is faster than AR. So that AR greater than MR. AR greater than MR. And the last and final check point is here. When MR is declining, When MR is declining, 9, 10 to 9, 9 to 8, 8 to 7. MR is when MR is declining, we are adding. We are adding less and less to TR. Less and less to TR totally. When MR is declining, when this is declining, we are adding less and less to TR. To TR, we are adding here less and less. That means 10, after second it is 19, that means additional 9, then it is 27, less than this 9 which has been added from the second, and so on. Adding less and less to TR for every additional unit. For every additional unit sold. Here you can see at unit first, TR is equal to 10, and from unit second it is 19. That means it has decreased. Otherwise, if it has been the same, then we can say it is 20, 30, 40, but it is 10, 19, difference of 9, here is 10, here, and we are added 10 to 9, it means here it is additional is 9, then 8, then 7, so it is less and less. So that TR increases, so that total revenue increases only at diminishing rate. Only at diminishing rate. How? Here it is clear. Diminishing rate. With first unit, it is 10. With second unit, it is 19 instead of 20. That means one has been decreased from 10. It is 19. From third unit, it is 27. One more less than 9. And when 4, it is 35. That means it is increasing. It is increasing 10, 19, but in diminishing rate. It is because law of diminishing, as we have did it in law of diminishing marginal utility. So, my dear students, now it is clear to you that we have did already what is revenue in full form. Now, today's topic was TR, MR, AR relationship when AR is constant. When AR is not constant. Here you will see that with additional units of quantity 1, 2, 3, 4, what happened to price? Here or AR, it is 10 because AR is not constant. It is 10, 9.5, 9, 8.5. It means it is decreasing by 0.5. And when we will see the third column, total revenue is increasing, but in diminishing rate. How? With first unit it is 10, and with second unit it would have been 20, but it is 19. That there is one less. And at third point it is 27, and fourth point, if we will, from 1 it is 10, from 2 it is 19. If we divide 19 by 2, it is less than 10. When we divide 27 by 3, it is less than 19. When we divide 35 by 4, it is less than 27. Now, Here in fourth column, it is simply marginal revenue. First it was 10, with additional 1, it is 9. That it is diminishing. Here you can see 10, 19, 10, then 8, then 7. Then lastly, we have checked the following relationship, and it was proved that TR, MR, AR, and relationship when AR is not constant. I think it is clear to you, and tomorrow we will start next chapter.